Now, we've got something we prepared earlier. It's sushi rice. Now, we cooked it on the stove over there later this evening. Okay, when you've cooked your rice, you get your vinegar and sugar mix and you pour it evenly over the sushi rice. And then you stir it all in together. Lovely. This is what you're going to be eating, kiddies. Now, I hope none of you die of food poisoning. You should all be alright. Okay, so now that's all mixed in together. We're going to sit that there, leave it to cool down. We're going to pop it in the fridge after